Hello.
Urvashi, if you're able to hear me, what are the latest updates coming in regarding the Disha Salian case? Her father filing an FIR now?
Well, yes, we get to understand that how an FIR has been registered by father of Disha Salian. Today we already know in Supreme Court there will be call on whether the whole investigation with respect to Sushant Singh Rajput case will be handed over to CBI or Mumbai Police. Meanwhile, it is Disha Salian's father who has filed a complaint against Sandeep Malani, Punit Vaishishta and Naman Sharma. Now, this particular written complaint that has been filed against these three people is with respect to the rumors that are spreading around Disha Salian. We all knew, in fact, it was NewsX that came out with the prime time to go ahead and say that with respect to the sources and the evidences, that there is no connection between Sushant Singh Rajput's case and Disha Salian case. And today, police have taken the complaint, the written complaint that has been filed by father of Disha Salian, and they have taken it very seriously and are taking legal opinion on how to go ahead with the case forward. Mumbai police officials have also recorded the statement of Disha's father, what we understand, and soon FIR will be filed against all the three people is what we understand. We all knew that how there were various social media theories that were going around. There were several WhatsApp forwards. There were many things that were going around with respect to Disha Salian's case. And today, when we understand that it has been, today this particular case has been filed, in fact it is complaint that has been filed by father, and the parents of Disha Salian were too disturbed with the news that were going around with respect to Disha Salian's death. There were many politicos who came out with the blames and accused Disha Salian, the whole death. They termed it as murder, then rape and otherwise. But then we NewsX had showed yesterday where we had accessed the report, PM report of Disha Salian, and we had shown that how there were no injury on the private parts, one, and second, how the evidences have been going on, and they show that how there is no connection between Sushant Singh Rajput and Disha Salian. It was hardly only once that Disha Salian met Sushant Singh Rajput, and that too in absence of their manager, currently Shruti Modi, who was there, and it was just for few time.
For more such videos, subscribe to